Johnny wanna be a big star, get on stage and play the guitar, make a little money, buy a fancy car, a big old house and an alligator, just to match with them alligator shoes. He's a rich man, so he's no longer singing the blues. He's singing songs about material things and platinum rings and watches that go bling, but diamonds don't blink in the dark. He a star now, but he ain't singing it from the heart. Sooner or later it's just gonna fall apart, cause his fans can't relate to his newfound art. He ain't doing what he did from the start, and that's putting in some feeling and thought. He decided to live his life shallow, cash in his love for material, and it's gone.
Gone, going, gone, everything gone, give a damn. Gone be the birds when they don't wanna sing. Gone people are awkward with their things. Gone.
Yourself in the mirror, ain't ya? Feel safe cause it looks familiar, but you're afraid to open up your soul cause you don't really know who is the person that's deep within, cause you content with just being the name brand man. And yeah, fail to see that it's trivial, insignificant, you addicted to material. I seen your kind before, you the type that thinks souls is sold in the store. Package up with incense sticks with a vegetarian meal to you that's righteous. Your fiction like books, you need to go out to life and look, cause what happens when they take your material and you already sold your soul, and it's
gone, going, gone, everything gone, give a damn. Gone be the birds when they don't wanna sing. Gone people are awkward with their things. Gone.
You say that time is money and money is time, so you got your mind on your money and your money on your mind. But what about that crime that you did to get paid? And what about that bitch you can't take it to your grave?
What about those shoes you're in today? They'll do no good on the bridges you burnt along the way.
All that money that you got gon' be gone. Yeah, that gear that you rock gon' be gone. The house up on the hill gon' be gone. The gold fronts on your grill gon' be gone. The ice on your wrist gon' be gone. That nice little miss gon' be gone. That whip that you roll gon' be gone. And what's worse is your soul already gone. Yeah, it's gone.
Gone, going, gone.